Hemi Cuda, first year, 426 cubic inches, 490 cubic feet of torque. This car just screams out, "Pay attention to me." Vitamin C, orange, shaker hood, the Cuda statement that you're making. It's a pretty luxurious interior. High back buckets, nice door panels, good looking dash. You can see the steering is nothing to write home about. Slightly overboosted brakes. It's got a pistol grip shifter and the Hurst 4-speed. I mean, these transmissions, this linkage, it's just meant to power shift. I doubt you could break this tranny no matter what you did. It just wants you to slam from gear to gear to gear. It's the nastiest of the nasty. I mean, this was the horsepower wars. 1970 Hemi Cuda, not Barracuda, Cuda.
It has the original bill sheet, comes with all kinds of documentation. We've been through the car from stem to stern. It is the real car with the original engine, original transmission. It's the real deal.
The 1970 Hemi Cuda has varied slightly over the past 5 years, but is still worth a solid $198,000.